Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get SMS notifications for things about your account on Facebook using your PC. By enabling this feature, you'll receive important updates and notifications directly to your mobile phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots. Step 4. Select Notification Settings from the options. Step 5. Scroll down to find the section, How you get notifications. Step 6. Click on SMS. Step 7. Under SMS frequency, check the option Required Notifications. Fantastic! You've successfully set up SMS notifications for things about your account on Facebook. Now you'll receive important updates directly to your mobile phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.